everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is a couple of other advent calendars that I've picked up. I don't know if you want to see me unbox them every day, so it will be an extra unboxing video, or whether you just want to just not have a look, because I know like there's lots and lots. So let me show you what I have picked up. So I picked up the Smiley's glitter store one, so I picked up that one. I also picked up the Sparkle Supplies UK one, and I also picked up, I believe this is last year's, but I really wanted one, because as you all know, I haven't had advent calendars before, so I went a bit crazy and I got a nail polish one. This is a CRT London one. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't even fit the whole thing in, but it is beautiful. It's really pretty. So I think what I will do is, I think I will unbox one lot of each now, and then you can let me know if you want to see another one. So if we open 2 days, sorry about the flickering, it's the other light. It does not like both lights being on. Let me just see if I turn that one. No. What about if I just turn it off? Okay, right, I know it's going to be a bit dark. I will try and adjust it so it's a bit brighter. So let's just open day 1, and then we'll open day 2 as well. Ooh. Oh, we have some glitter. So this is called Fizz. Oh, it looks pretty. Let's see if I can open it without spilling it everywhere. Let's have a look. So this is what this looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. It's got hollow stars in it, and it's pink and silver. Really pretty. So I hope I'm capturing that enough. So that is day 1, and then find day 2, and we've got another pot. Oh, so this is day 2, so today's, and this is hollow butterflies. Oh yeah, look at them twinkle. Oh, they are beautiful. Ooh, very nice. So that is day 1 and day 2 of the Sparkle Supplies one. So let's have a look at the Smiley's glitter. Sorry for the crinkling. Let's see if I can turn this other light on now. Yeah. For some reason it just bounces off that other one, and it's just like, no. I don't know which one is day 1 and which one isn't. I have absolutely no idea, because I've never had one of these before, so I do not know. So we'll just open one of these ones, yeah? Because I have these ones, and I have this one, and I have something else. So let's just open one of these, because there's nothing on there. So we'll just open that one for today, and we'll see what we get. If anyone knows how I should open these, please let me know, because I have no idea. So let's have a look and see what we've got in this one, shall we? Cute little stickers. Look at that. How cute is that? Come on now. Ooh, we've got some of that netting stuff, like the foil netting stuff. I've literally just got some of this off AliExpress. So it's a red and silver one. So we'll have to have a play with this at some point in the new year. Most probably not before Christmas. I'm way busy. So that is the first one. And that, oh, we need to open the second one, don't we? So let's just get enough green one out. And I'll have a look and see what this is. Ooh, some nail accessories. So these are water decals. So let's just quickly get them out. So this is what they look like. So they are the nail wrap ones. They're going to come in really handy. Super cute. I like the colours on there. Really, really nice. So they will most definitely come in handy for like a birthday or something like that. Definitely come in handy. Oh, so many water decals and nail wraps and foils. Oh, so many. So let's have a look at this one without bashing the camera. And I've knocked everything over. So let's try and get out day one, shall we? Oh, 1 and 2. Give me 1 second. Finally got it out. So this is day 1. So let's have a look and see what's in this one. Ooh, look at that. That's really unusual. Gold digger. Oh, now that is pretty. Very, very pretty. I know the mini bottles, but they are that's really, really pretty. So this is number 2, and look at the pretty box. It's very, very pretty. So let's quickly open this one as well. Ooh, it's a pretty red. And this one is the name of that one there. It's a very pretty red. Might be able to try and fit in a design with some of these, so you're not all just seeing all like unboxing, you're actually seeing some nail art. I do have some Christmas designs coming up, but yeah, these are the, oh, everything's falling over. So these are the 2 polishes I got. So that was yesterday's and today's, and this is the Smileys yesterday's yesterday's and today's, and then this is yesterday's and today's, and then obviously hopefully you watched my Charlie's one, so I also have my Charlie's one, so I'm very spoiled, most definitely spoiled this time. Well, let me know down below what you think of these, and let me know if you want to see me open them or not. It's perfectly fine if you don't. I know there's a lot of unboxing videos going on, so I understand if, like, you can't watch them all. It's only so many hours in the day, but yeah, if you don't want to watch them, that's absolutely fine. I may just record them anyway in case somebody does want to watch them and just stick them up. It'll only be a quick video like this, so then it would just be 1 of each, not 2. So yeah, this is day 1 and day 2 of all my other advent calendars, my other 3. So yeah, let me know what you think down below, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. And I hope you're as excited as I am, because I definitely am. And yeah, hopefully you will join me tomorrow, and we will do the Charlie's unboxing and unbox some more of these in 2 separate videos. There's going to be a lot of videos. It could be up to like 3 videos a day. But anyway, enough of my ramblings, because I'm just rambling on now. Let me know if you want to see them or not. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.